If you need to request a refund from Slack, follow these simple steps to ensure a smooth process. This guide will help you navigate through the necessary actions to obtain your refund. Step 1. Review the refund policy. Before initiating a refund request, familiarize yourself with Slack's refund policy. Check their official website for information on eligibility, timeframes, and any specific conditions that apply to refunds. Step 2. Gather necessary information. Collect all relevant details related to your account and the transaction. This includes your account email, transaction ID, date of purchase, and the reason for the refund. Having this information ready will streamline the process. Step 3. Contact Slack support. Visit the Slack support page and look for the contact options. You can either submit a request through their help center or use the chat feature if available. Provide all the gathered information and clearly state your request for a refund. Step 4. Follow up. After submitting your refund request, keep an eye on your email for any responses from Slack support. If you do not hear back within a reasonable time frame, usually a few business days, consider following up to check on the status of your request. Step 5. Monitor your account. Once your refund is approved, monitor your payment method to ensure the funds are returned. Depending on your bank or payment provider, it may take a few days for the refund to reflect in your account. By following these steps, you can effectively navigate the refund process with Slack. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to reach out to the support team for assistance.